Alright guys, welcome to Wednesday. Here's your Bellringer, day 131. 15 bananas for $5. Create two equivalent ratios, okay? So if we want to go for 30 bananas, we could do 30 bananas for $10. Or we could do 45 bananas for $15. And then it says $19.50 for 6 gallons of gas. So we do $19.50 over 6. Let's just go to a unit rate for the sake of it. So divided by 6, and we get $3.25 for 1 gallon. So $3.25 per 1 gallon. And then let's just say what 2 gallons are, because that's easy. So $6.50 for 2 gallons. Simple and easy, and it builds off last week. Write an equivalent expression. Let's do distributive property. Distributive property means to multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times g is 6g. Remember, you cannot combine those because they don't have the same last name. Also remember for this next one, every coefficient that does not have a variable, every variable does not have a coefficient next to it. There is a 1 there, so it's 1f plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5f. Remember, we are adding, so it is not an exponent. E times e times e, you have a base of e. And how many times do you see e? 3 times. Okay. Then you have r plus r plus r plus r. Remember, it's 1r plus 1r plus 1r plus 1r, which is 4r. All right, so remember, the formula for area of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by the height divided by 2. So we're going to add these two together, and we get 4. We're going to add this one and this one, the two bases, and we get 4 and 93 hundredths. We're going to multiply it by that height, which would be 2.5, so do 2.5, and we get 12 and 325 thousandths. And you want to put your label there, so it'd be 12, 325 feet squared. Okay, remember triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. That's how you find the area. So we're going to do 10 times 17 2/10. Remember, when you multiply those a decimal by 10, all you do is move it one place to the right. So you have 172 divided by 2 now, and you get 86 inches squared. Remember, for surface area, we have to find the area of each side and then multiply each side by 2. Because remember, there's 6 faces, but 3 of the faces are the same. So we have this one, which is the same as this one. So it'd be 3.4 times 2, because we're going to find the area of this square. So 3.4 times 2 is 6.8. So we have 6.8 as 2 sides. Then we want to find the area of this rectangle, which would be 2 times 9, which is 18. Okay, and then so we have 18 times 2. And then we have 3.4 times 9 for the top face. So 3.4 times 9 would be 9.0, but we can fix that. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 3 is 30. And we would have one decimal place. So it'd be 30 and 6/10. So 30 and 6/10, multiply that by 2, and we will add all of those together. Okay? So when I multiply all these by 2, because there's 6 sides, and I add them all together, I get 110 and 8 meters squared. Remember, it is to the power of 2 because it's surface area. It's the 2D. It's talking about the area of all of the sides. Basically, what is the wrapping paper?